How to safely fix a scratch on your flat-screen TV.
Hey everyone! Today, we'll tackle a common issue many TV owners face: scratches on your flat-screen TV. We all know how annoying these can be, especially when they interfere with your viewing experience. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you on how to fix it safely without causing any further damage. Let's dive in.
Assessing the scratch.
Before jumping into any solution, it's vital to assess the depth and size of the scratch. Light scratches. These are the kind you can hardly feel when you run your fingernail over them. They're mostly superficial and the easiest to treat. Deep scratches. If your fingernail gets caught in the scratch, it's a deep one. These might be a bit more challenging to treat, and extreme caution is required.
Cleaning the screen.
Before applying any remedy, ensure your TV screen is clean. 1. Turn off the TV and unplug it. 2. Gently wipe the screen using a microfiber cloth to remove any dust or smudges. 3. Avoid using heavy pressure, which might make the scratch worse or add new ones.
Treating light scratches.
For light scratches, a simple solution might just do the trick. 1. Take a mixture of equal parts distilled water and white vinegar. 2. Dampen a soft cloth in the mixture and gently rub over the scratch in a circular motion. 3. Wipe away any residue with a clean microfiber cloth. 4. Turn on the TV to check if the scratch is still visible. Repeat if necessary.
Addressing deep scratches.
Dealing with deep scratches requires a bit more care. 1. Pencil erasers can be used, but ensure they are clean and white. Gently rub the eraser over the scratch, but be sure not to apply too much pressure. 2. Alternatively, you can use a screen repair kit available in the market. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. 3. After treatment, clean the area with a microfiber cloth to remove any residues. Note: always test any solution on a small, inconspicuous part of the screen first to ensure it doesn't cause more harm. Scratches on your beloved flat-screen TV can be a bummer, but with a bit of care and the right techniques, you can have it looking good as new. Remember to always be gentle and test solutions before applying them fully. Hope this guide was helpful, and happy viewing!